you for having me here tonight. And as a thank you, I have a new album coming out, and I actually named it after you. It's called
Kevin is terrible at cards. He's gotten better, but he's still terrible. He plays poker the way he makes all his movies. Bet it all on the flop. And you can always tell when Kevin's bluffing, like when he says how great the next special is going to be.
Because of Kevin's awful childhood and feelings of inadequacy, he became a workaholic to distract himself from the grief of who he is on the inside. And to make matters worse, his inner child is taller than him. Kevin has been so far up the rock's ass that he can actually smell what he's been cooking.
You think he's loud in his movies? When we were he was hollering and screaming and shaking. I said, will you shut the up before somebody think I'm watching one of your movies?